To duplicate a discussion board, that way you're not recreating the same thing over and over again. First off, make sure your edit mode is on. Click on the drop down gray arrow and say copy. Let's call this new discussion, and we'll go ahead and select the entire forum and the location. We want it in our main discussion forums area. Then click submit. And if you scroll all the way down, you will see that the discussion has been duplicated. Now I can just work on this one right here. So that way I'm not copy pasting the prompts all over again. I can just edit my discussion questions and be done with it.